Is it hard to be fresh if you don't have money, or can you still pull it off?
See, when I ain't had no money, I still had sauce. See, if you don't got no sauce, then you're lost. But you can also get lost in the sauce.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back for another episode. We're back here in our own shop. Brian went ahead and cleaned up yesterday. This place looks amazing. We got everything in order. We started clearing a whole bunch of stuff out. We realized we got a lot more room than we thought we did. You see, we got like 1 million radiators. If anybody needs a radiator, please let us know. We have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there's like 10 or something radiators up there. But anyways. So today's video, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be doing an H2B conversion kit. We're going to be installing one. This is our buddy Mateo. You've seen his car in the shop before. He has the G23 swapped Del Sol, the one that's been sitting outside. You guys seen it in plenty of videos in the background. So he is going to show us how it's done, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, so talk to us, man. What are you doing?
I'm about to install the bracket.
This goes to
let's go for the hot shaft. Yeah, let's go for the hot shaft. But as this H2B, don't go with big series transmission. Right here, we got a big. Right here, all these guys have to go.
What about oil leaking?
Nah, it's not oil. It's not gonna go. It's not gonna leak. Everybody that go H2B has to do it. It's really sketchy when you get done to it. Look.
You have to cut it with the gasket.
I can show you here the old one. How it was done. That's
it's very close though.
Yeah, that's only so you can make the hot shaft fit. If you don't do that, you're not gonna make the hot shaft fit.
Are you just gonna reuse that oil pan, or are you gonna?
Nah, we're gonna use that one because
And the axle, you don't cut it.
The oil pickup is different than in this one, so we gotta make the new one.
Darn. Well, this will definitely be interesting to watch. I'm glad I'm not doing it. Wow, this is extremely interesting. I'm surprised it can sit tilted like that.
Yeah, it's so crazy. And the Chinese will be over here.
Wild. All right, you guys can clearly see where it's hitting. So is this where you need to cut, or?
Yeah, so I gotta shave it right here and mock it up. Stick the axle, probably shave some more over here.
Just so that the actual CV axle itself doesn't hit?
Yep, just so this won't hit right here.
Cool.
So you can see I can't even stick it in because it's hitting right there.
Dope. All right, man, time to get to grinding. All right, so he's just marking it up with a pen real fast. That way it doesn't cut more than necessary. And then you're gonna cut all of that out?
Yeah, I might just stick the axle somehow in there.
Sketchy.
Probably like this. Yeah, probably like that. That'll be the best way. This part that hits. So probably all this. So here. Yeah, man. All this scary shit. I remember hitting all that. So I might as well hit the whole line. All this sticking out.
Are you gonna use a Dremel, or are you just gonna use like a?
Yeah, I'm gonna use I might as well just hit it from here that way. You see, there's only this thick ass metal.
Dale.
That's it.
All right, so you took a good bit off. It's even all the way around. You can see, looks looks better than like if it was all chopped up or whatnot. I think it's better doing it how you did it. He totally took this whole ear out. That's for the old half shaft, right?
Yep.
Don't need it now. So we just took that whole entire ear off. I think you're gonna have enough room, man.
Hopefully.
But we'll go ahead and check.
Let's see. Gotta put this. Bolts. Got this tight one too. So we'll do it. Dropping tools. A little bit, not too bad.
Moment of truth.
Oh, it goes on. I want to hit it a little bit more just to be happy, but it goes on and spins.
Yeah, definitely a little bit more would be good though. For sure.
We almost there though. Not bad for a first hit.
Right? Alright, so it is time for round 2. As you can see, he got a good bit off there and a little bit more off here, so we should be able to clear that axle. Alright, you can see he took off a good little bit more there, and then we also took a little bit more off right here because you could see it was hitting the boot right on the CV axle. So let's go ahead and put it back on and see if it fits.
It look good. There's a little bit. I could hit a slightly hair more.
Yeah, probably just a little bit more right there.
Yep.
And we should
Let me
be
mark
good,
it.
man. Yeah, definitely mark
Right
it.
here is good.
That is definitely cleared. Just mark it real fast, and we should be clear.
Okay, now I got a good idea. Right here. Right there, so like right here. Same thing.
Perfect.
And a little bit right there. Alright, to take that out, I gotta hammer.
All right, round 3.
Round 3.
Sweet. Looks like we got just enough out to clear it, and then if we have any play, it shouldn't hit either. Now we're just gonna go ahead and get the engine on the ground, and then we'll go ahead and get the sandwich plate put on.
Back at it, about to install the H2B plate. This allows me to install any B series transmission.
Sweet. So you just use like the factory holes.
Factory 4 Allen key bolts. One's kind of custom made by me, got stuck before. Hold on by 4 bolts, ARP. Shout out to ARP.
And which kit is this?
This is the QSD kit. Discontinue. Alright. Get the socket for it. That one I'm gonna have to hit it with a flat head and a hammer. That's pretty much it. Next, I gotta install the transmission onto the plate.
All right, so we just went ahead and put this spacer on. You have to put that on, if not, the clutch will sit obviously way too far back. And this is just a normal B-series flywheel. I think he's got a normal B-series clutch. You just got to use that spacer there before you go ahead and put the clutch on. What's the torque spec on that?
A little Milwaukee. I'll check it by hand.
All right, so everything is bolted up. You can see the half shaft goes right here, goes through this hole, and then goes straight into the transmission. And this is pretty much it. Guys are just gonna go ahead and bolt up the transmission, and we're gonna go ahead, get her in the good old Del Sol. You guys are gonna do it tonight?
We're gonna get it running.
Get it going.
We're gonna get to the try this week too. So.
But you have a pretty good transmission for this car too, right?
B16, little factory things here and there.
Nice. Heck yeah. Well, anyways, guys, we're gonna go ahead and call the video there. As always, guys, go ahead and like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys soon. Peace.
If you don't got no sauce, then you're lost. But you can also get lost in the sauce.